Hey, good afternoon. This is Andy Cromer with Starfish Group Properties. Over here at another project that we're doing in the Watauga area. I just wanted to give you a rundown on this property. We're a local home buying company here in DFW. We've been in business since 2011. So over 10 years experience working with families of all kind of conditions that need to sell a home but don't want to use a traditional route of selling real estate through putting it on the market. So with this family in particular, and I'll give you a walk around of the house here in just a little while, but this family in particular, the husband had had a stroke, and unfortunately, he needed more care and couldn't go back to work. So the wife and the husband both decided that it was time to retire, scale down, move into a better scenario for their family. So they tried to start fixing up their home a little bit. They did a few projects, but they just couldn't pull it off. And, the contractors they hired couldn't quite finish the work. And there was just a lot of things they needed to get done, and the house had gotten pretty outdated. So I'll give you a tour of the property here in just a minute. But it's just an example of the kind of families we help again. So this was a medical situation that turned into a financial situation with the husband not being able to work anymore. So it put this couple into a quicker retirement plan than they had thought they were going to be in. But that's kind of people we work with. We were able to buy the property direct, give them the time to move out, and everything worked out good for them. So let me give you a quick tour of the home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home over in Watauga. And we're going to do a full remodel on this one, and then we'll resell it on the market after that. So let me get this turned back around, and I'll show you the house. So I'll show you the kitchen first. So you can see the kitchen here. Just dated cabinets, dated countertops. You can see they tried to start doing some repairs. They were pulling some wallpaper down. Just things weren't going well with the property. So they moved some of the furniture out, but you can see the carpets are just really dated. Fixtures are really dated. So it just needs a lot of love. Everything in the house, unfortunately, is going to have to go. Fixtures, carpet, new paint, new bathrooms. So I'm walking you into the master bathroom now, or master bedroom and bathroom. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house over in Watauga, one that we will be remodeling. And this family has already moved on and is in a much better place now that they were able to sell the house. So kind of a dated bathroom you'll see there. Kind of an old dated shower. There's a little master closet. So you see quite a bit of repair work to do, but nothing that we're not familiar with. So you see an old dated bathroom there, old dated shower. And there's just some of the leftovers here that they weren't able to move out. So one of the things we do as well, if people need some extra time, that's easy to work with. If families can't take all the junk out of the house, then we can help with that too. So if you're stuck in a situation with a medical scenario, retirement scenario that's hit your family in a way that is going to prevent you from possibly putting your house on the market and doing more of the traditional route, then give us a call. Starfish Group Properties. We're easy to reach, easy to find on the web, and we'd love to work with your family to hopefully create a solution to help you with your real estate here in the DFW area. Thanks, and God bless.